Hello children. Surprised by seeing me? Yes. So when you surprised, how you surprised? Generally the video is posted by Saujanya madam. But today Arunashri madam is posting video. So first when you see the teacher's face itself, you got a doubt and enthusiastic. So this is what first your eyes recognized me and analyzed, so that why Saujanya madam did not give the lecture today. Why Arunashri madam gave. So you got all these questions in your mind. So what is the main reason for all these questions? First you recognized me. So first which organ is used to observe me? Eyes. So eyes observed and eyes gave the information to the brain. Brain analyzed why that madam, why this madam, what is the reason. All these points came in your mind. Then you are concluding, you are deciding that yes, Arunashri madam is also our teacher, let her teach. So let how she teaches. So all these points are coming into your mind, right? So when you took decision or when you observed me, you got so many questions. All these questions are because you could recognize me and you could hear my voice. So there is some center in our brain. So that you understood now about what I am talking. So I am talking about the lesson chapter 9, structure and functions of living organisms, animals. Under that, which topic? Nervous system. So this nervous system, without this system, you can't control and coordinate. For example, now I wanted to do namaste. When I wanted to do namaste, so I will put my hands together and I will do like this, namaste children, right? So when I am doing like that, I have to utter the word namaste, children or sir or whatever it may be, to whom I wanted to address or I wanted to wish. So all these points come into our mind. All these things because of our nervous system. Which system? Nervous system. So our nervous system contains these components. I think you can see the board. So first one is what? Brain. First one is brain. Second one is spinal cord. Third one nerves. Fourth one sense organs. So how many components are there? 4 components are there, right? Now in that, which is the headquarter? Like that our school principal is the head. Like that our body, which is the organ that is head, you can call it as brain. So this is the structure of brain. This is the structure of brain. So in this structure, see, this is all, we call it as brain. Brain is protected inside, you can't see. Don't try to see, only my hair you can see, right? So inside that, now this is what you call it as skull. So skull is protecting our brain. Which organ is protecting our brain? Skull is protecting our brain. Because the brain is very delicate organ. Very, very delicate organ. It consists of 3 parts. Children, see that structure even in the textbook, page number 148. The topic is mentioned. Now, this part, the biggest part is called cerebrum. Then this one like a cauliflower, cauliflower like structure. This is called cerebellum. And this part is called medulla. So, brain is divided into 3 main parts. They are cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla. 3 parts. You can see the textbook. You can read it. Now, it is protected by skull. I already mentioned. What are the other functions of brain? What are the other things? Everything you will learn in higher forms. Okay, for 6th class level, this is enough. Next, its weight is 1.35 kilos. Okay, brain weight is 1.35 kilograms and it is protected by skull. And what is the one more funny point about the brain? Brain is divided into 2 equal parts. Right part will control all the left side organs, left hands, left eye, left leg. All these parts are controlled by right side of the brain, and automatically vice versa. What is it? The right side organs, right side parts, all these organs are controlled by left side of the brain. So remember, if I am a right hander, which side of my brain is working more? Left side. Very good. If I am a left-hander, which side of my brain is working more? Right side. Very good. Now, Next is spinal cord. Spinal cord, the structure, the extended part is called spinal cord. Its length is 50 centimeters approximately. It depends on the person's height, right? Don't think that definitely every child will be having 50 centimeters. No, it always depends on the height of the person. So this is spinal cord, and spinal cord is protected by vertebral column. We have vertebral column now, back side. You can check it. So like a small round ball like structures will be there. These are called vertebrates. You learned in 5th class. So spinal cord is protected by vertebral column. Vertebral column is again like a skull-like structure which is made up of bones. Now it is protected by vertebral column. Then what is the function of spinal cord? Spinal cord carries the messages from all the parts to the brain and from brain to all the parts of the body. Because the spinal cord is running throughout our body, almost up to trunk, end of the trunk. So all the organs are connected to this spinal cord. That's why whenever you are touching in darkness, when you touch anything, you can feel it and you can tell it what is that organ, what is that substance you are touching it. All these points which will be connected to all the organs are connected to the brain through nerves. So what is that? Let us see. So what is the function of spinal cord? Am I teaching fast, children? Please little have patience, and if you are not understanding, once again you play the video, right? So spinal cord carrying all the messages to the brain, and from brain to all the parts of the body it will carry. Okay, that is the function of spinal cord. Next, nerves. Nerves are two types. Okay, this what is the first one? Sensory nerves. What is the first variety? Sensory nerves. And what are the another one? Motor nerves. And what is actually sensory nerve? Sensory nerve, or whatever it may be, the nervous system is totally contains nerve cells. With what it is made up of? Nerve cells. So nerve cells will be long and fiber-like, and they will be formed like a sensory and a motor. Now sensory nerves will always connect from our sense organs. Sense organs. Sense organs are here, you see, eye, nose, tongue, ears, skin. Okay. Now eyes will give us vision. Nose, smell. Tongue, taste. Ears, voices, music, whatever it may be. Skin, touch. Touch also different types of touches, like a pinching, heating, pressure, pleasure. Everything will be identified by the cells of the skin. Okay. Now that's why this is called sensory nerves. We call it as a sensory nerves. Now you see. Now nerves are how many types? Again we will go back. Sensory nerves are nerves are two types: sensory nerves and motor nerves. All these organs are connected with the sensory nerves. If you observe a person, now first, as soon as you on the video, you have seen me. So immediately you got an idea. That idea is because the eyes are connected to the sensory nerves. The sensory nerves gave message to the brain, and the brain message is transferring to the ears and so whatever parts it is, which part you responded, that one. Okay. Next, nose. If the smell is very nice, then you will try to appreciate. Oh, what a nice smell. You will appreciate. If the smell is very bad, bad smell, like that you will hold close your nostrils. Then tongue. Automatically. Tasty food you will enjoy. If the taste is not good, then you will say, it is not tasty, salt is less, or that is less, this is less. You will shout or you will spit it. That is because of tongue is giving the information to the brain, and the brain will utter that word, make you to utter the word. Next, skin. Skin is just now I told. What are the, ears. Ears. So ears will appreciate the music. Like someone is humming a song. What is that song? What is that song? You will recognize, try to recognize. Oh, lyric you will try to memorize. And in which movie you will memorize. All these things you will memorize by listening the sound. Right? And skin. Just now I told, no, skin, like heat, hot, everything. will be understood by the cells of the skin. Now here come to this sensory. So sensory will all these organs are connected with the sensory nerves, and they will carry the messages to the brain, and the brain will command to that particular organ. Which organ? Like the person you recognized. The recognized is because of a motor nerve. Motor nerve is connected to the muscles of the body. Muscles. Now I touched a hot object. Hot cooker is here. I touched it. Immediately will I appreciate, what a hot body, will I touch it? No. Even though it is a very chilled weather, cold weather, I can't bear the heat of the hotness of the cooker. So immediately, Appa, Chachandra, I will say. Right? So why I will say? Because my fingers will be burnt. How I uttered the word, the skin is got the information, it reaches to the brain or spinal cord, and immediately it gave a message to the muscles of my finger. Pull it back, take it back, withdraw your back, withdraw the hand. Immediately I will take out and I will say that Appa, Appa, like that. So all these things are happening because of sensory nerve is giving message to the brain, and the message is analyzed by the brain and immediately giving back the command. Take it back, pull it back, or enjoy. All these things it is giving, so that we are responding in that way. So if our nervous system is working well, the person will be called a very sensible person. Sensible person. We are posting videos. So all these post videos you have to see, observe, understand, read, do the given work. All these things if you do well now, you will be definitely called as a sensible person. Otherwise, brain is not working. So, what is the good sign of a healthy person or a living being? Response to stimuli. The stimuli is the video. The response is understanding and apply this knowledge in your exam. Right? And in your day-to-day life also, you apply this knowledge. Okay, bye-bye children.